Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Veros Real Estate for valuation reports access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Veros Real Estate for valuation reports access, start by visiting the Veros Real Estate website. Look for the login section on the main page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, click on the Create Account option. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and company details. Review the terms and conditions before submitting your registration. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Veros Real Estate login page once your email is confirmed. Input your username and password again to log into your account. After logging in, navigate to the Valuation Reports section on the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available options for accessing reports. Select the specific valuation report you wish to access. If prompted, ensure you have permission to view the report. Click on the report to open and review the details. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, consult the Help section. This section provides FAQs and support contact information for assistance. Make sure to log out after accessing the reports for security purposes. By following these steps, you will successfully authenticate with Veros Real Estate for valuation reports access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.